Here we have quite a wordy mechanics problem. It says the diagram shows a block of mass 6 kg resting on a rough horizontal table. So we have friction. It's attached to a ball mass m kilograms by a light inextensible string which passes over a smooth pulley at the edge of a table. The ball hangs vertically below the pulley. The coefficient of friction between the block and the table is 0.2. The system is held in equilibrium by a force of 5√3 newtons, acting on the block at 30 degrees above the horizontal. The block is on the point of sliding towards the pulley. It says calculate the frictional force on the block and then calculate the value of m. Okay, so like all mechanics problems, you need to draw a force diagram. So taking the diagram out, we have, so just consider the 6 kg mass for a minute. We've got 6g acting downwards. We've got a normal reaction upwards. And I'm just going to resolve vertically. So resolving vertically, we got R plus the vertical component of this force here, which is 5√3 sine 30, and acting downwards, we've got 6g is equal to 0. So sine 30 is a half, so we get R is equal to 6g minus 5√3 over 2, because this is a half times that. And that, using F is equal to mu R. Mu is 0.2 for the question. We need to work out 0.2 times 6g minus 5√3 over 2, which gives me 10.893 or 10.9 newtons. We now resolve horizontally for part B now. Okay, so what we're going to do for part B, we're going to find T, and once we've got T, we can use it here to find M. So T minus 5√3 cos of this component of the force here minus mu R is equal to 0. So we're going to have T minus 5√3 times cos of 30, which is √3 over 2, minus mu times R, which is 10.893. Don't use an answer which has been rounded off. You can keep that in your calculator. So T will be equal to 15 over 2. √3 over √3 is 3. 3 5s are 15, so we get 15 over 2, plus 10.893. So that gives a tension of 18.398 newtons. Again, keep that, because we're going to need that for the next part. Now looking at this bit only, so consider the block with mass m. Okay, so the forces on that are mg acting downwards and T acting upwards. It's not moving, so it is in equilibrium. So resolving vertically, we're going to have T minus mg is equal to 0. So that mg is equal to T, m is equal to T over g. So T was 18.398 and then G is 9.8. So therefore, doing the division, we're going to get a mass of 1.876, which is a mass of 1.88 kilograms. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to resolve a system which is on the point of sliding with friction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.